30mm drivers for rich, full-frequency response. Lightweight and comfortable on-ear design. Swivel design for portability. 47.25-inch 1.2 meters tangle-free Y-type cord. Over-the-ear style headphones. 1.38-inch neodymium dynamic drivers. Drivers deliver precise sound. 12 Hz to 22 kHz frequency range for clear highs and lows. Swivel folding design makes travel easy. Cushioned earpads for total comfort. Enfolding closed back design seals in sound. Top reviews from the United States. Great little earphones. These are so nice to listen to music with. You can hear so much bass and so many more midtones. They don't cancel noise as well as I'd like, though. All in all, a great set of headphones for the price. Great headphones. My son is autistic and is rough on headphones. His last pair made it through his entire school year last year and mostly through the summer. Because he is so rough, this is pretty impressive. Just bought our second pair for this school year. Highly recommend.